Eighth budget session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly begins with obituary reference to its late members. And MG Narega job card holders under Charangpat Gram Panchayat and Wangkhem constituency alleged Gram Panchayat Pradhan and members of swindling away in wages. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Laithamba Monica with the latest news updates. The 8th budget session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly began around 11 a.m. today. Opening the session, Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen paid obituary reference to the late members of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Holkomang Haukib, Dr. M. Horam, M. Chungko Singh and former Secretary of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Helem Chaudhary. Speaker of Manipur State Legislative Assembly, Yumnam Khemchan, also gave time to opposition leader Okram Ibobi to pay obituary reference to the deceased leaders. Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen tabled the Manipur Private Security Agency Regulation Rules 2019 and report of State Vigilance Commission for financial year of 2018-19 in the House on the first day of the session. The House will also discuss various other reports. The ongoing two sittings assembly session will continue till August 27. The House is also expected to select 3 financial committees today. MG Narega job card holders under Charangpat Gram Panchayat and Wangkhem constituency expressed disappointment over alleged misappropriation of 2-year wages for over 2,500 job card holders. Speaking to media at the worksite of Charangpat Maning Lekai yesterday, one job card holder alleged that Pradhan and members of the Gram Panchayat kept the cards with them. He added that the job card holders were given back their cards with entry mentioning that 2,090 rupees were given to each of them, while in fact only 200 rupees each were given. He urged the authorities concerned to look into the matter. Members of GAC formed against the unnatural deaths of Maibam Sanjeed held a public meeting at Mongsangai Mayai Lekai Pillow Library Community Hall today, demanding justice for the victim. They resolved to carry out intense agitation if justice is not served at the earliest. A police team led by additional SP Imphal West Aribam Ghanishyam rushed to the spot and maintained a strict vigil to avoid any untoward incidents. It may be recalled that Maibam Sanjeed was hit by a vehicle at Yangthang in the night on August 23 and he succumbed to his injuries at Raj Medicity Hospital. Students' Union of Wycombe Mani Girls College Thawal organized an event today to celebrate upgrading of the added college into a full-fledged government college. Attendees appreciated Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen, Education Minister T.H. Radhesham and other cabinet ministers for their approval to upgrade the college. It may be mentioned that the State Cabinet meeting held on August 21 at the Chief Minister's Secretariat resolved to upgrade 4 aided colleges of the state into full-fledged government college. 9th Sector Assam Rifles Tulihal Battalion organized a free medical camp at Samusang village in Imphal West yesterday. Doctors check up individuals on various ailments and provided free medicines to those in need during the camp. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Prime Minister Narendra Modi attending the G7 summit in France today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Afternoon News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will attend the G7 summit in France today. He will address sessions on environment, climate, oceans and digital transformation at the G7 summit in Biarritz, France. Although India is not a member of the G7 group, Prime Minister Modi will attend the G7 summit as a special guest as he has been personally invited by French President Emmanuel Macron. External Affairs Ministry has said that the invitation is a reflection of the personal chemistry between the two leaders and also recognition of India as a major economic power. The Prime Minister arrived in Biarritz from Manama yesterday after concluding his three-nation tour to France, the UAE and Bahrain. The countries which are part of the G7 include the United Kingdom, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan and the United States. Home Minister Amit Shah will hold a review meeting in New Delhi today on Naxal operations and development initiatives being undertaken in left-wing extremism LWE affected areas. Chief ministers or their representatives or top police and civil officials of 10 Naxal violence affected states are expected to attend the meeting. This includes Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Orissa, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. There has been a consistent decline in violence and considerable shrinkage in geographical spread of LWA in the last 5 years. The National Policy and Action Plan approved in 2015 to address LWE envisages a multi-pronged strategy involving security-related measures, development interventions, ensuring rights and entitlements of local communities. Now the sports news. President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have congratulated ace hurtler PV Sindhu for winning the World Badminton Championships. In a tweet, President said, "Sindhu's magic on the court and perseverance inspire millions of people." The Vice President said the entire nation is proud of her stupendous achievement. In his message, Prime Minister says the passion and dedication in which she has pursued badminton is inspiring. Union Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju has said that Sindhu has created a history by winning a gold medal. Echoing similar sentiments, Congress President Sonia Gandhi said the Olympic silver medalist has made the nation proud. The country's sporting fraternity, led by cricket icon Sachin Tendulkar, hailed Sindhu's victory, saying her feat has made India proud. Members of Mamita Thawan Foundation gave a warm reception to its members and hockey player Kangujam Chinglensana, who was recently nominated for Arjuna Award upon his arrival at Imphal Tulihal Airport today. Chinglensana will receive the prestigious award at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi on August 29. Speaking on the sidelines, Chairman of Mamita Thawan Foundation, Romi Meitei, urged the public to support the upcoming interaction program with Meitei diasporas in Myanmar entitled Mamita Thawan Gi Awa Khongchat, Lipun Wari on September 29. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. The 8th budget session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly begins with obituary reference to its late members. And MG Narega job card holders under Charangpat Gram Panchayat in Wangkhim constituency alleged GP Pradhan and members of swindling away their wages. That's all we have in this bulletin. Thank you for being with us. For more news, you can also follow Impact TV on Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Have a great afternoon.